Hi, Shane with Art of the Yard. We're just finishing up this pondless water feature rebuild here in Roxborough. Turned out great. We've got a good mixture of moss, rock, granite, and cobble to give us that nice natural Colorado feel. We've also mixed in some pieces of driftwood. We actually created one of the falls out of driftwood here. We started this feature with a fast fall, and we actually cut it right up in underneath the deck, so that way from the deck it looks like it's flowing from out from underneath. Turned out great, and look at that view.